Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2026 BMW X3 30 xDrive in Arctic Race Blue Metallic. Alright, so this is the 2026 BMW X3 30 xDrive in Arctic Race Blue Metallic. I've just pressed unlock, so we've got the DRLs on, and if I go ahead and press panic, we can get the full low beam system on with the pathway lighting. So now that we have these lights on, let me do a lap all the way around. You can see we've got the 20-inch 1036M wheels on there. This is such a nice color. I don't know why it didn't really catch my attention in the past, but seeing it on 3 Series and X3 lately have shown me this color is actually really nice. So let's take a closer look at all the details. So this is Arctic Race Blue Metallic. It's much lighter than a Portimao blue, and I don't know what other color I could compare it to, but it is definitely a nice shade of blue. It's not like Zandvoort, it's not like Portimao. It's much better than Phytonic, which was a previous color. But yeah, it looks really nice. I really like it. And you can see the lines coming down. We've got the 2 lines in the center on either side of the rondelle. We have the brushed aluminum kidney grills with the vertical and diagonal slats, with the active grill shutters at the bottom down here. We also have more at the bottom in this area with the split chin as part of the new design language. And we also have a bunch of sensors up front, and you can see there's a camera at the front here. There's a little washer nozzle that comes out here, and there's some radar stuff going on there. And if you look on each side, you'll also see we've got some functional air going into the wheel wells and into the intercooler and oil cooler. Now, if we get the headlights back on, so these are the BMW LEDs with the stacked double L shape, looking really cool. And you've got more of these line patterns inside, crisscross patterns on the side of the actual stacked LEDs, and we've got the full low beam light. So headlight design looks really good and does have some of that BMW design language in there. Now when we come to the side, you'll see that we have the 20-inch double spoke 1036M wheels in Jet Black Burnished with the blue M Sport brake back there. And this is mounted on some Pirelli P0 all-season tires. We also have the body-colored side mirror with the integrated turn signal and side camera. Black roof rails up top with the glass roof. And we also have flush integrated door handles with touch comfort access on the fronts. Body colored rocker panel with the M Sport design. We don't have the black one. And we also have windows are already polarized. We have the new style antenna, spoiler. There's your rear 1036M wheel with the blue caliper. And if we come back here, you'll see that we've got the nice inverted and regular L-shaped taillight creating this X design. And on the side, you've got more crisscross patterns. BMW itself is lit up there. Rondelle, and I like how it's kind of protruding from the center like that. X330 badging. And we've got the vertical reflectors on each side. No visible exhaust from here, but you can see the giant rear diffuser. And if we just take a quick peek under here, there's your muffler. I've got the key with me, so if I just do a swift kick underneath the middle of the vehicle, we can get this to open the hands-free way. Once we have this opened up, there's a cargo cover here to hide your contents. There's a button on each side that you can press that'll allow you to release this cargo cover. And once the cargo cover is loose, it can be one-handed out of here, and to put it back in, you just move it towards the front like so. Now underneath here, there is a section where it could be stored if you did not option the spare tire, but this one does have the spare. So we got spare tire, all the tools and jack and everything underneath here. We also have wheel lock key and tow hook on this side. And a little string here to pull this out. We have a 12-volt plug, grocery bag hanger. There's also a little netted area which is illuminated. Another illumination on this side, and we have another grocery bag hanger here. And now that we've had a chance to look through the back, you can press this button to close, this one to close and lock, but you can also kick your foot underneath the middle of the car to have this close the hands-free way. Just like so. Now on the passenger side of the car, you'll see that we have the fuel cap door. It is connected to the central locking system, so when the car is unlocked, so is this. We're looking for 91 octane. It's counterclockwise, one click. There's a little spot to put it, and when you're done, it's just clockwise, one click, and you shut the door. Now if I go and open the rear door, you'll see inside we have Harman Kardon sound system, door pull, window switch. We also have some pockets down here. We have the release on the shoulder to fold down the seats in a 60-40 split. We have the armrest in the center here with some cup holders. And once I pull this down, the button for the center pass-through is just right here on the shoulder. You just gotta press it. And up top, we got the glass roof. We also have some handles on each side with some coat hangers and some reading lights on each side. We also have the accessory port on the back of each front seat. Some pockets are down here. Illumination, these are some winter mats, some vents underneath the front seats as well. Back of the center console, we've got some vents. We have a storage space, 2 USB Type-C charging ports. So now that we've had a chance to look through the back door, let's shut this one and we'll go to the front door next. And here we are. Open that up. We've got some ambient light inside of here. We have some vent opener close, unlock lock, window switch, door pocket, aluminum M door sill, full power seat with lumbar, manual under the thigh extension. Headrest is also manually adjusted. We also have some stitching going across the dash with some soft touch materials. Down here, button to press that opens your illuminated glove box. There's also a key cylinder to lock your glove box. Got the rubber mats up front here as well. We have the curved display here with iDrive 9. We have what we call the jewel box down here with the wireless charger on the driver's side, 2 USB Type-C charging ports, the M jewel with your cup holders, glass iDrive controller, glass push start button with the gear selector. Your volume wheel is here, and if I lift this up, you'll see inside we also have a 12-volt plug. So now that we've had a chance to look through the passenger side, let's go to the driver door next. Alright, so if we go to the driver's side, open this up, you'll see that we have more vent close or open for this vent over here. There's a controller to control where it's being directed here. Unlock, lock, memory. Windows were just tinted, so we're not putting them down for 3 to 5 days, but this button makes it so only driver controls the windows. All 4 windows, 1 touch up, 1 touch down. Which side mirror to adjust, to make the adjustment to fold the side mirrors in. Press this to open the tailgate, pull and hold to close the tailgate while the key is inside. Big pockets down here. Another aluminum M door sill. Full power seat with lumbar and side bolster. And we have the new flat bottom steering wheel with M at 6 o'clock, black marker at 12 o'clock. We also have the head-up display, and this vehicle does come with the advanced driver assist package, so it gives you the assisted driving plus, which allows you to cruise, mitigating the speed, distance, steering for you, all with no hands on the steering wheel. And if you signal, it'll change lanes for you. And if you have a map destination, you can set it to also start changing lanes on its own without any hands on the steering wheel. Up top, we got an SOS button here for roadside assistance. We have the interior camera here. We have your sunshade controls. We have your rear view mirror with 3 buttons underneath for a garage door opener. We have your visor up top. This opens with the light. The visor can also come out and it can extend. And a look through the glass roof from the inside of the vehicle. And down here, so we've got your exterior lighting controls on the actual signal stock. There's a release lever down here for your steering column. There's your pedals, and it's not immediately apparent, but just underneath here is your hood release, and it's 2 times. So it's 1, 2. So when we get to the front, we won't have to find anything underneath here. You just have to lift this up. And there it is, the beautiful B48 2-liter inline-4 twin-power turbo, 255 horsepower, 295 foot-pounds of torque. We've got the strut bars here as well. Positive battery terminal, negative battery terminal, washer fluids over here. BMWs have 2 latches under the hood, so it just means they both have to latch at the same time. So if I bring the hood about halfway, fingers on the rondelle, just send her down. Beauty. All right, so before we conclude the video, I just wanted to do one more lap all the way around. This color looks really nice, and with the sun hitting it, it looks even brighter, but this is just such a nice shade of blue. And since we're at the back, I've got the key with me. 1, 2, 3 on the lock button. So that is your remote engine start, cold start. And once we get to the front here, 1, 2, 3 again, so we can shut it off. And let's see, the active grille shutters do open up top and bottom. And once it's had enough air, they'll close again, which should be momentarily. And there it is. So how do you like this spec 2026 X330 xDrive in Arctic Race Blue Metallic with the black interior? Let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW X3 30 xDrive in Arctic Race Blue Metallic with the M Sport package on there. If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMWDurham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.